Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making a brown butter iced coffee. Two ways, y'all. One of the ways I will be making it with my creamer. I got brown butter creamer. And then the second way, I brown some butter. I'm gonna make it that way without using the creamer. So it's gonna be the, like if you don't have no creamers or anything, butter that I put in the refrigerator, so it kind of like solidified. But I also have some more butter that is kind of like hot off the press. No newspaper, no breaking news. Probably cool down by the time. First, I'm gonna do the creamer. This one I'm not using the brown butter instead of the one with the creamer because I want to see if the one with the creamer is gonna taste more like brown butter than the original. Or the same. So I'm not gonna line this one. I'm just gonna put ice. If you watch my videos, you know I was talking about. I thought I used all of the salted caramel coffee I had to brew. I found some more. So I brew a little bit. Now the reason why I look a little light is I put a little milk in it already. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Now I'm pouring some of my milk. This is whole milk, but you can use any type of milk. To froth it, because I noticed when I try to froth my milk, it said you either need heavy whipping cream, which I don't have, I have half. Or either like skim milk or low percent milk, 1% milk. I didn't have that. I got it now. That 1%. I'm gonna use that to froth, but I'm gonna use the whole milk for my coffee. When I tell you I'm so happy, I know this. I haven't had it a lot of times. That brown, but when I tell you, I be saying people with like so. I gotta get all the flavors, y'all. I'm gonna use this to finish it off at the top, but I think I'm gonna put a little bit inside as well. It's only a little bit more. Might as well. I got my half and half. I put it in the freezer so it get a little bit more cold. Put some in here. I'm gonna also use some of my skim milk. It's not skim. My 1% milk. Oh, I dare get skim milk. Oh man, I should have kept some of that creamer. Dang, I meant to leave some of that creamer. That's what it was for. I don't think it should matter though. I'm gonna froth this. I put this on top. Hopefully it's frothy. Okay, it is. Okay, last but not least, I put that finishing sugar. It's falling everywhere. Now the frothing part did go flat like a soda. A flat like how my tummy used to be when I was younger. Yeah. That's why I forgot my salt. I must have a little bit of residue for the salt from before, because I got just some saltiness a little bit. This is good. Whew. Alright, I'm ready to make the other one now. Okay, I'm gonna use the rest of, okay, I'm gonna leave it in this. Okay, I'm gonna put some of my whole milk in here. Coming on like that because it's cold. Well, it's kind of frozen a little bit. Okay, so yeah, this is how it look. Okay, I'm gonna take my cup now. You know, totally solidify, y'all. I'm gonna take my little brush. Come out like this. That's okay. Okay, I'm trying to go on the inside and brush it around. Oh yeah, this is salted butter, y'all. We're going to use our salted, go right in it. I know it don't look so appealing, but it's gonna taste appealing. My ice in here. Oh, maybe it was okay. It was sufficient salt, so that's why I had that little salty taste a little bit. This is the other one that I said did not solidify. We pour some in here. See that? Yeah. I ain't gonna use no salt this time because it's already salt inside the butter, and then I put the finishing salt on top. I gotta get you out a little bit milky here, yeah. what you want too. Ain't nobody finna be left behind on my watch. Not on my watch. Let me use some more half and half. Pour some more of my butter here. 1% milk. And froth it. See, this how it get me because it be looking so frothy, and then within a minute it go away. Like that again today. The next day, or years to come. I put some of my finish. It's pretty though. But now let me down.
A few moments later.
That's what I forgot. Sugar. It's letting me down right now. But I probably let my own stuff down. Put that sugar in it. It's sugar. Take two. It's good, but I want more sugar. It's giving me brown butter. I'm getting some of the brown butter, but not as much as I want. I'm trying to put more in here. I need more sugar probably too. Get my handy dandy brush. Not notebook. I'm taking no notes. Well, you can take notes. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit more sugar. that motion. Yeah. You alright? Put it around. Okay, it do taste a lot better. The inside combined together. I don't know if it's the brown sugar or what. It don't really look appealing inside. Tasting better though. Okay, I still got the other one. I'm gonna taste it again. I should have put the extra salt. Like I said, I didn't know that was finished in salt. So it is making it a little salty, but it's good too though. I love the smell of this one better because it's like the real natural smell of that brown butter. It's good. I think I like the taste of the creamer a little bit more. It smells good too, but it smells like a cookie though, I say. Not really smell like the brown butter. This one is though. They're both pretty good. Okay, which one is more of a success? I think if I can experiment on this a little bit more and try to combine it a little bit more, I feel like this would be the winner. But based on what I did today, it's a tie. I can't really say that's a winner or this winner because I love the smell of this more and it still tastes like it. However, I like the taste of the cream more. However, it didn't smell like it like that. So I'll rate them a tie. I would give it, I think I'm gonna give them a 9.5 both. Why is not a 10? Probably I would put less, well if I didn't put no salt at all, because it was salted butter. And this is finished with salt, which I didn't know at first. I guess reading is fundamental. Because it tell you right here. If I would have combined it more, things like that. This is good too, but it's like, you can tell it's not natural. Natural. But it's so good though. Okay, I think I'm gonna add this. I don't know, this sucks. We got milk left. We got a little bit of milk left for this. It is good, but like I said, you taste a lot of salt kind of. It tastes more of that brown butter too. Yeah, with the natural way, it tastes more of that brown butter and the smell. That's pretty much it, y'all. Y'all like, share, subscribe to my channel, y'all. Have a blessed day.